Menteri Rangba jong kejelau Conrad Kongkel sangma kekat nyoterik ubenai risau arajar arpuar ulah Hiar jurip kynsan ya ke skul Pine Mount School Syllad. Hagane jing jurip Conrad sangma laidon langru Menteri ketunak pulih putih umala kemen rembui Chief Secretary ke Sorkar Jela DP Waklang bat kiwai ki sahab Sorkar. Hadian ke jing ujor kapala yok na ubabon balang halor ke jing baharu kom hagane ke skul. Hagane ke jing jurip jong ulah kular ban shimkhia ban penbha ya ke pankhana ke hostel bat kiwai ke jing tay hapo ke
After
skul.
detailed discussion with the Honorable Education Minister and based on his suggestions, we have decided to come and visit here in Pine Mount School. As we are all aware that there were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pine Mount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state. And in the recent past, there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore, we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pine Mount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time. So I have spoken to the PWD Minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest. And within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start. And in the meantime, we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We'll take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we're examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future.